Hey, welcome back, friends, to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and this is the 12 Weeks of Christmas series, and this is the final review on this album. It is done, ladies. Wow, it is finally done, and I want to show you what I have left of paper. I have 2 sheets of this left. I couldn't even find a place to use it. It just didn't fit in anywhere. I don't know, but I have 2 sheets of full paper left. 2 sheets. And then I have 2 sheets of cut aparts left. That's it. And then I have these scraps, ladies. So that's all I have. That's when I stated you needed 48 sheets to complete this album. I wasn't fibbing. I wasn't fibbing. And if you don't use the cardstock like I did, you are going to be pushing it. Okay? So, because I use quite a bit of cardstock. And I do have some cards and stuff left over from this. So I'm just going to put them in a little deal, maybe use them for something else. Okay, here is the album, and it measures 8.5 by 11. It does have a 2-inch spine, ladies, and there's the back. I always put a dark paper on the back. It's just something I do. So I used a border sticker here and just cut it in 2. From the collection. This wasn't from the collection. This is just something that I had laying around that it caught my eye, and I thought, that'd be cute. And of course, cardstock. Okay, let's dive in to this folio, ladies. Okay, here we go. And like I said, you can shut this either or. Okay, it's totally up to you guys. Okay, it could go either way. I put some cardstock here on my tie back. So let's dive in to this side real quick. So you have that, and then here's some photo cards. I always leave the backs blank, and then that flips open, and then that flips. And then this flips open. This is our belly band that we have. So then we have 2 photo mats. And when I design my photo mats, I kind of always look at what's around it. Okay? Except for I didn't plan that very well, did I? Otherwise, I probably would have. I was looking at it like this. So I put the paper on, then I shut this. I'm like, oh crap. But oh well. No biggie. So then you have these photo mat flips. And then this opens up. And we have, and I added that. And then we have this flip out. I love that. I think that's pretty cool. Then we have some photo mats, and I didn't put no tags on them. Again, the backs are blank. She can put her pictures wherever she wants. Okay. And these just fold back. And then we got some photo mats here. I just left up a blank one. And then here's one. It says Love to Travel. And then I have this one. Enjoy the view and love the adventure. And again, the backs are blank. Okay. And these just fit down in here. All right. Then we open this up, and we have some photo mats here that I made. So I hope you guys really enjoyed making this album. It's a pretty big album. Pretty big album. It will hold a lot of photos. Okay, so that side's done. Let's venture to the other side. I like mine like that. So this flips open. And then we have a couple of photo mats here. They just slide back in. And that shuts, and that keeps that all nice and tidy. And then this opens up, and we have 2 photo mats here. They just slide right back in. And then this opens up. And we have some photo mats here. And then we have that photo mat. And I left it, blank so she can journal. And then we have these 2 photo mats. So lots of room to journal and put a lot of photos in this photo mat, or in this photo album. I'm probably off camera again. So here we have some photo mats. Oh, I always want to grab that one. I don't know why. I did that earlier when I was flipping through it. So you have these. And then we have these over here. I just left it blank. And I didn't do nothing really special with the photo mats. I didn't want to make them too crazy because it's busy. So I didn't want to make them too crazy. All right, now we have this part here that we open up. And then I decorated these just like that. And they just slide right back in here. Same way with that one. And then you have this pocket here. And again, nothing on the back. And a lot of times I'll add, photo cards like to here and stuff. But this paper sometimes is busy. So if your paper is really busy, you stick a photo mat on there, it just busies it even more. So I didn't use a whole lot of those photo cards. All right, that is our album, ladies. The Expandable Folio Spine. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed making this. It does require a lot of paper. It does require a lot of cardstock. So if you're going to make this, you need to plan on having at least 48 sheets and using some cardstock to help fill it in a little bit, okay? Okay, that is our Expandable Folio Spine. And our next project for the 12 weeks of Christmas is going to be the recipe album, ladies, with the craft text binding. Okay? So if you guys like this, please let me know in the comments below. Hit the notification bell so that way you never miss out on anything that I upload on my channel. And we will see you guys in the next video. Keep scrapping. Have a great day. Bye-bye.